Hi all, welcome to the Vision Board community. So today I'm inviting to Rahul. So Rahul will be sharing some kind of a transition story and how even one of the difficult level of interview he cracked. So Rahul, I'm just eagerly waiting to you. So how you effort to making upskilling, because everyone is making upskilling, but only few people win this kind of a game. So Rahul, just share your experience, whatever you have also.
Okay, so hi guys. So my name is Rahul Dev, and actually I joined Pigeon Board in the month of November, and I took David's course of 4 months of course. Throughout the 4 months of course, I learned several tools like Azure, ADF, Databricks, Fabric, and throughout the course, I also practice and make some projects. And through this, I started attending interviews for the multiple company. As I come from the non-tech background, like I was not into the IT background, I was from the non-tech background. So it was very difficult for me to clear the interviews because IT person had the good knowledge how they can approach, how they can solve the problem. So I just started my journey in the month of November, and I gave
Mhm.
around my 5 months in complete in the learning stuff, all the stuff, exploring things, making projects.
I
So
think you
after,
joined in the batch 9, Rahul, in the
yeah,
middle of the batch 9, right?
correct.
Then you will continue on the batch 10 also. Okay.
Yeah.
So, okay, okay, got it. Uh-huh.
So, in the month of like Feb, we had think completed our projects and courses. And after I started started applying for the jobs. So
Okay.
starting like when I attended first 2 to 3 rounds, like first 2 3 uh company interviews, I was like actually failed the interviews because
Mm-hmm.
the reason is that like they asked most of the scenario based, and I was
Mm-hmm.
not good at that because I was just
Yes.
started. Then
Mm-hmm.
what I did, I just making start notes of this. Like every
Okay.
after attending every interview, I started making notes, and
Mm-hmm.
I try to understand like what interviewer actually wants from me.
Mm.
Then I started gave more interviews. Some passed, some failed. Some I think some I passed first round, second round. Sometimes failed in the third round. So after that, I got a chance in the month of I think March. I
Mm-hmm.
got a call from Hannibal for the interview. Then I went
Okay.
there, and it was around 2 rounds. So the interview was like first round was very difficult. They were
Mm.
actually checking my technical knowledge,
Mm.
also my experience. Like, have you like have I made any project or not, and have I worked on that? So he asked some SQL, Python, and PySpark question, and actually the level was very high, not like small one like checking salary range, something like that. It was very hard. So after working and learning from Pigeon Board since the 4 months, I got so much confidence, so much knowledge. So I was able to clear that round by solving each and every question in a very mannered time. And
Mm-hmm.
after clearing the first round, I was called for the second round. And
Oh.
second round was taken by the AVP
Uh-huh.
of the our Shelby company. And
Uh-huh.
after clearing the second round, they told me I will get a result by tomorrow. So
Okay.
in the evening I was just giving another interview for the another company, and
Mm.
suddenly I got a call from Shelby that how are you doing? Like hi Rahul, how are you doing? Have you got any job or not yet? Then they said to me that you are hired, you are selected, that you have cleared your
Okay.
first round and second round, and you can join our company within a week. At this
Uh-huh.
time, it was a very like fabulous time for me because I was struggling for 5 months. I was like learning in the
You
morning,
put
evening.
lot of
Yeah,
effort, right?
correct.
You put lot of effort to
Yeah,
make me
actually,
knowing.
I gave my 12 to 15 hours per day to
Oh.
learning the stuff, revising, and exploring. And when
Mm-hmm.
I get the call from the company that you are selected, you can join within a week. It was
Oh,
a really very fabulous time for me. Like finally, after so much struggle of 5 months, I got selected, and now I can sit with peace. At this
okay.
time, I was
That is
very happy.
That is really good actually, Rahul, because the non-IT, even you are the one of the motivation to others also, non-IT to the transition, it is possible. There are many, many
Yeah.
examples are there, right? You also know. Like, and when you started learning anything slowly, it will be taken some time. Maybe one or two interviews will be struggling also, but finally the result will be coming. But we need consistently attending and preparing every day. Rahul, how many hours? I think that time you are working, right, Rahul?
No, actually, I left my company in the month of November because
Ah,
when I joined the
okay.
company, I left my job because I want to
Mm,
fully focus on the vision board and the click course, and I want to give
mm.
my full time to the course.
Okay.
That's why I've
Huh.
left my company.
But
Because
even the experience also very low. I think less than 3 years, right?
yeah, yes, yes,
That is also one more thing I want. I still remember less than 3 years of experience, people will be struggling to get a job. But your case, I know the effort you put, the building, the resume, everything will be placing because the answer you share. That is the reason non-IT to transition is possible within 5 months of time. Some
yeah,
people will take like a 6 months or 7 months. Or you put that much of focus for
correct.
learning this throughout this time, right? Okay. It's really hats off, Rahul. Obviously, I'm just telling you about whatever the effort. Rahul, you can tell the people, like, and if it's possible, right? Anything will be possible.
Yes. And also like in the starting, like when I around completed 3 months, 4 months, and I when I applied for the job for the data engineer role, I actually failed so much interview, like 5 interviews, 6 interviews. And sometimes I felt like it was not for me, like I will not able to clear the interview because I am not from IT background. But
Yes.
end of the day, my plan is to become a data engineer.
Mm.
So when I start in the morning, I make a plan that I had to complete this topic today, and if I have any kind of interview, then I have to prepare more focusedly on that. So I always keep in mind that if that or not, if
Mm-hmm.
data engineer or not. So that's how
Okay.
I prepare and work hard. And yeah, 5 months is very like I can say very best time for him because I learned so much tech, so much technology, so much again, so much knowledge, and attended so many interviews, like
Mm.
eight, nine. I think I around attended 10 something or 11 interviews with the multiple companies,
Okay.
like the
Mm.
MNCs, startups, and also I got some calls from the US also. So
Mm.
I attended so many interviews, and I guess I failed some interviews, and I cleared one round or failed in second interview, but in the last, I was able to crack the company
Crack
and
it,
finally
right?
got a job.
Okay, okay. That is the result actually. Because if you're studying hard now, I think when you look back, you can able to see the full satisfaction, right? You are, I would say, you put your 120 or whatever percentage you put. Now you got a job. You are okay. At least you're safe your career for the next
Now at
few
least
years.
now at least I can say one thing: I am a data engineer now.
Okay, okay.
Now, now I can say everyone too, like my name is Rahul Dev and I'm a data engineer. That's the logo
That is the power actually,
okay,
Rahul.
when I got the offer letter, I am finally see the logo, the title, that
Huh.
Rahul Dev as a data engineer. That was a very wonderful time for me. Like I finally got a title which I worked very hard.
Yeah, yeah, I can understand because when I also got the offer letter, right? So .NET engineers, project engineer to data engineer, I
Yeah,
was feeling so happy because effort, like in what we dream and every day, right? That will be comes into the reality. And I would say, Rahul, when you're showing your offer letters, the package, and to your family also, what was their reaction?
actually, in the starting, my family was saying that I think you got a small job, like they think that you got a small research job or like analyst job. Then what happened? I sat down with my father. Like father, sit down, and I never told my father that I was preparing for the interview. I was actually unemployed since 4 months. I never told my father. He is
Mhm.
thinking like I was doing any kind of job. And when I got the offer letter, I sit down with my father and told him that father that I was not working since 4 months because I was preparing for something else, and I show to my father my offer letter that I was preparing for data engineer, and I finally got a job, and this is my package. And finally,
Okay.
my family got very happy. I called my sisters and brother, and finally, like they are saying to me, like finally, uh, Rahul, you are struggling for so much month, and finally you have got your dream job, and they were actually very happy,
Okay, okay, I can understand the situation.
and they can like my bigger sister, like my elder sister, she always thinks that Rahul, you can do like just to focus, do hard work, and give your 100% to it, and you will achieve it. And that's how
Mm-hmm.
I was able to crack the job.
Okay, okay. It's
And
like a really, I would say, like the motivation, right, to the people.
and right now I thinking that it's just a starting point. Now I just
Hmm.
become a data engineer. Now I have
Hmm.
to reach a good position as a senior
Yes.
data engineer and as a like I can say a data architect. I
Hmm.
want to
Hmm.
become a data architect so I can solve many hard data pipelines or many engineering problems. So
Hmm.
I just thinking that it's just the starting. I have to
Hmm.
go very long way.
Hmm. Hmm. Yes,
So I can
definitely, Rahul.
yeah.
You
So
can have a, I would say there are a lot of opportunities will be coming. So I'm also really happy to getting your experience and you're sharing with the vision board. I think due to time limit, I think you can I'm just asking you the next guest lectures, you can come into the vision board and share your experience
yeah.
to
Sure.
motivating the people.
For
Okay.
sure.
Thanks, Rahul. Thanks for
Yeah.
your time. And we can see the next podcast and next questions also.
Yeah. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
Devi, and thank you so much, Vision Board, to finally help me to get my dream job. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Rahul. Thanks for your word, actually. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Bye.
Bye.